Hey there, ever tried trading stocks and thought, this is kinda complicated? Well, what if I told you trading Bitcoin is not just easier, it can actually be better? Let's break it down. If you've ever bought or sold a stock, congratulations. You already know the basics of Bitcoin trading. You open an app, pick what you want, buy when it's low, and sell when it's high, that's it. But here's the kicker. With Bitcoin, you don't need a broker, tons of paperwork, or thousands of dollars. You can start with just a few bucks, even buy a tiny slice of a Bitcoin. Now here's where Bitcoin trading really shines. Always open. Bitcoin trades 24/7. No middlemen. Trade on your phone, no broker fees. High volatility equals high opportunity. It's global, not tied to one country. It's like stock trading with turbo mode on. So, how do you start? Here's a dummy-proof checklist. 1. Download a trusted crypto exchange app. 2. Sign up and verify. 3. Add money. 4. Tap buy Bitcoin. And boom, you're in. Start small, don't chase the hype, learn the basics, and you'll be way ahead of most people. Bitcoin trading isn't just for tech geeks or finance pros. It's for anyone curious, open-minded, and willing to learn. So if you've been sitting on the sidelines, thinking it's too hard, think again. Because trading Bitcoin is just like stocks. Only more exciting, like share and subscribe for more crypto tips.